Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have not liked and subscribed, don't forget to like and subscribe. So today I'm gonna show you how you can convert, like basically withdraw money to your bank account, right? A lot of people have money in crypto and they want to cash out and seems like they're confused. So I'm gonna show in the example in Coinbase, but the process exact same for any of the apps. So this is USDC. So USDC is not US dollar. It is a crypto, right? The US basically 1 to 1, but it's a yes. First you need to change whatever the crypto you have to US dollar or euro or whatever the currency you are trading. So this is USD. First I'm gonna just convert. So convert to cash, right? So convert to cash. I'm gonna, let's say, convert to $100, right? So review orders, and there's no fee in Coinbase. So once you place it, order submitted, and it's probably done. You can see that it's hopefully it's done. So once it's done, basically yep, so I have a US dollar. So now I have a US dollar. Since I have a US dollar, you can do is like cash out, right? So continue to cash out. So basically it's like basically I'm gonna deposit to my bank account. So let's say this is $100. I want to preview cash out, and it's gonna take a couple of days, but that's all. Coinbase, wow. To basically my Capital One account, US dollar wallet, Saturday, and it's free, and cash out. That's all. Once that's done, your money will be deposited to your bank account, and you can withdraw or pay your credit card or whatever you want to do it. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment below if you want to know more about crypto. Thank you.